Hey guys! So this is just gonna be a quick little vlog. Basically, for a few days I'm gonna be here in the lovely Palm Springs. We stay at an awesome resort called the Oasis, and I think there's like 12 pools. And more than likely you're going to find a pool that has nobody in it, which is super awesome. So you get a pool all to yourself. Let me show you. So here is one of the many pools that I mentioned, and as you can see, I have it here all to myself. Pretty awesome. I am here with my family, but they're still eating breakfast. I don't really have much of an appetite in the morning, so I just had a quick little snack. Look how beautiful that blue sky is. Oh my goodness. And all these palm trees. Palm trees in Palm Springs. Yeah. I think it's about, well, last time I checked when I came out here, I've been out here for about, maybe half an hour. It was 88. It's supposed to get to 105 today. Next week it's supposed to be like 115. So I'm trying to work on my tan, which is not gonna happen. Mexican, but can't tan. It's pretty sad. But I sunburn, so I have lots of sunscreen on. Lots of sunscreen. I can't go anywhere without trying to save a bird. I am a Disney princess because obviously animals cannot stop coming to me. It's a baby hummingbird. Okay, so I put him right here in this bush. There's lots of flowers, and I saw hummingbirds flying around, so hopefully his mama finds him. He's so cute though. Good luck, little one. And don't fly into the pool again. That's dangerous.